There are a ton of reasons to continue to breastfeed and chest feed beyond your child's first birthday. And that's because the nutrients change over time. And so while your milk has increased fats and proteins and vitamins beyond your child's first birthday, it also still carries those incredible immunological properties that you pass from you through your breast milk. And breastfeeding and chest feeding toddlers have been shown to have fewer illnesses, as well as the duration of their illnesses tends to be less. For the nursing parent, there are many benefits as well too, including the longer you breastfeed and chest feed for, the lower your risks are for uterine cancer, breast cancer, ovarian cancer, diabetes, osteoporosis, and uterine cancer as well too. So if you and your child are still interested in nursing beyond a year, definitely go for it. Your body and your child's body will thank you for it.